Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, your trusted place for staying healthy, happy, and strong after 55. Today we're talking about something so important: sleep. Good, deep, refreshing sleep. I know for many of you watching, falling asleep and staying asleep is not as easy as it used to be. You might lie in bed staring at the ceiling, wake up several times in the night, or feel tired even after 8 hours in bed. And here's the surprising part. Sometimes it's not stress or age. It's the food we eat that's silently keeping us awake. Certain foods can make our brains more alert, spike blood sugar, or speed up the heart. All enemies of peaceful sleep. But don't worry. I'm not just here to tell you what to avoid. I'll also share delicious, sleep-friendly foods that calm the body and prepare you for rest. As we age, our bodies make less melatonin. That's our natural sleep hormone. Our body clock changes, making us sleepy earlier but also waking us up earlier. Add in joint pain, bathroom trips, or certain medications, and sleep can get tricky. That's why every choice we make during the day, especially what we eat, can make a big difference at night. Caffeine can stay in your system for 6 to 8 hours, and even longer as we get older. That 2 p.m. coffee could still be in your system at 10 p.m., making it harder to sleep. Tip: cutaway graphic. Instead of coffee, black tea after lunch, try chamomile or rooibos tea. 4.2 hidden caffeine, visual, chocolate bar, cola bottle, pill blister pack, medication. Host: voiceover, chocolate cola. Even some medicines have caffeine. If you're sensitive, these little doses can still affect your sleep. 4.3 heavy dinners, visual, greasy fried food, steak and fries, then cut to grilled fish with vegetables. Host dialogue. Heavy meals at night take longer to digest and can cause acid reflux when you lie down. That burning feeling? It's a sleep killer. Tip: choose lighter dinners, fish, steamed veggies, or soup with whole grain bread. 4.4 sugary snacks before bed. Visual slice of cake on a plate, senior eating cookies late at night. Host voiceover. That late-night dessert spikes your blood sugar, then drops it, and that crash can wake you up. High-sugar diets are linked to restless sleep. So, friends, in the next part, I'll share the top natural foods and drinks that help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up refreshed. These are simple, affordable, and delicious, and I'll show you exactly how to fit them into your evening routine. Coming up next, the best sleep-friendly foods for seniors. Music, soft fade out. Now that we know the foods that can disturb your sleep, let's talk about what you should eat instead. These foods are not only healthy for aging bodies, they also naturally help your brain and body relax, so you drift off into deep, peaceful sleep. First on the list, bananas. They're rich in potassium and magnesium, which relax tight muscles and calm the nervous system. They also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that your body uses to make serotonin and melatonin, two key hormones for sleep. Have half a banana about an hour before bed. There's a reason this old remedy has stood the test of time. Warm milk contains tryptophan, and honey gives a gentle sugar rise that helps tryptophan enter the brain more easily. Together, they work like a natural, gentle sleeping pill without side effects. Tart cherries are one of the few foods naturally rich in melatonin. Studies show that drinking tart cherry juice can improve sleep time and sleep quality, especially in older adults. Half cup about 1 hour before bed works best. Almonds give you magnesium for muscle relaxation and healthy fats that keep you satisfied through the night. No midnight hunger pangs. Chamomile, lavender, and passion flower teas have natural calming properties. Just make sure it's caffeine-free. The ritual of making tea itself can signal to your brain that it's time to wind down. Combining these foods is even more effective. For example, a banana with a few almonds and a cup of chamomile tea is a perfect pre-bed snack that's light, soothing, and sleep-friendly. In the final part, I'll share a simple evening routine you can follow every night, combining food, light, and relaxation techniques to help you sleep like a baby after 60 seconds.